wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Keith in Texas on this 2970N4. Speaking of that, got a new shipment of these just come in. Pretty proud of that. We thought they were all done and out, but got some in and really happy. So let's just get right to it here. Our power all the way down, 250 watt slug, 25 all the way down, roll it all the way up. About 140. I'll show you average power swing. About 205 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Keep in mind it's got voltage regulator upgrade, cap upgrades, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrades. Low. 600 watts on the money. Roll it all the way down. Low. 600 watts on the money. Alright Keith, we got your high cut noise filter back here on the back and your amp on off switch, so I hope you enjoy it. Appreciate your patience from your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bump bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.